The African elephant is a large land animal native to Africa. It is the largest living terrestrial animal, with males weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds, and standing up to 4 meters, 13 feet tall at the shoulder. African elephants are known for their long trunks, which they use for a variety of purposes, including grasping food, drinking water, and communicating with other elephants. African elephants are known for their complex social structures. They live in family groups led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and most experienced female. These groups can consist of related females and their offspring. African elephants inhabit a wide range of ecosystems, including savannas, forests, and deserts across various countries in Africa. Their distribution can be influenced by factors such as food availability and water sources. Don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications of my video uploads. African elephants are larger than their Asian counterparts. Adult males can weigh between 5,000 to 14,000 pounds and stand around 8.2 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. They have large, flapping ears that help regulate their body temperature. The ears are shaped like the continent of Africa. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth. Tusks can grow to be quite long and are used for various purposes, including digging for water, stripping bark from trees, and for defense. The trunk of an African elephant is a versatile and highly sensitive appendage. It is used for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping objects, and communication. Their diet primarily consists of grasses, but they also eat leaves, bark, fruits, and other vegetation. African elephants are herbivores and spend a significant portion of their day foraging for food. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.